What a nice beach. Ooh, swimming. What? Dagger it. My controller doesn't work. Give me a minute.
Yo, how did...
Oh my lord, oh my lord, no,
No, that's the OG.
no.
How did you get that cape?
What?
Oh, that's not a cape, that's a sock. I know that one. Yo,
What do you mean
you got
sock?
the OG Lemming skin, bro. Wait, let me just remove my wind barrier.
The OG Lemming?
Yep.
The Lemming plush?
Please let me remove my wind barrier.
Yeah, we. Please tell me there's no lava monkey after me. Oh my god, there's more monkeys. We gotta run fast. Ah! No! God damn it! No! I fell in the water right. No, F you.
Still searching for me, literally. Bro, you even got a bird.
No.
How did you?
Where does that rope lead to? Oh, up there. Well, I think I'm gonna go in the lazy river because I am lazy. Whee! I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go this way. Woohoo! Ooh! Some sand. Don't mind if I do. I really do need more. I need an upgrade for my laser zipline. You tagged me. My sand! No! My sand! God damn it!
I know this guy. He is probably hiding.
What? Oh, I'm chilling in the water. Well, I'm not anymore. Well, I'm gonna sit on one of these chairs. Oh. Wait a minute. I think I know where... Wait. Don't hang up 3 ending was. No, don't hang up 2 ending was. It was down here. No.
Why does that feel
And
so bad?
they fought up here.
Get down! He's making traps.
Nick did. Guys, run. No. God damn it.
Turn around.
Yep, turn around, buddy boy. Am I an easy target for you? It looks like I am. No. No. I know a lava one's chasing me. You'll never catch me alive! go! Just go! Just go! Oh my god. I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead, aren't I?
Are you dead?
No,
No,
I'm not
you ain't.
Lemming!
Bro, you look like Lemming.
Why do I look like Lemming?
That's one of the Lemming
I'm
skins.
sleepy.
Okay? That's one of the Lemming skins. They sold it in the shop some years ago. It's pretty old to be fair. It's like
I found the little shark guy.
You're OG, bro.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the Lemming plushie?
That Lemming thing is very old. Ugh,
This?
fuck you, piece of crap.
Oh my god, no, we can talk about the no. Am I last man standing?
Are you dead? Are you dead?
I was last man standing! Yes! Well, oh shit. Oh god. Loser. What the? No!
Don't be toxic. Hello there.
Hello, this is Uber Eats. What would you like to order, my sir?
Hello there, sir. Thank you deliver one drive delivery. I'm a man. I'm gonna make different. Sir, do you want?
Hi, Leo. Dad, get it.
How long till I get $1 tip?
Yes, I can buy entire world with $1 tip.
Yeah, we like $1 tip.
$1 tip. Oh no, we need $1 tip to take over this loser that tried oofing us.
No, my yeah.
Run quick! Oh, trust no one.
I need, sir. What if I deliver your food in 1 second? Do I get $1 tip?
You get $5 tip.
Sir, here's your food, sir.
Yay!
I'll put it on your. It's on your back.
Yes.
Where's my $5 tip?
Your $5 tip right here, in my hand.
Where is $5?
It's right here.
$5 tip.
You got it,
Yeah,
right?
I can.
Here, I'll
run
give you
5
another
mentions in India.
$20 tip. You can buy entire space galaxy with that. I'll give you a $50 tip if you bring me my food in 0.1 seconds next time. I'll pay you $6 trillion if you give me my food in 0.0001 second.
Sir, I can buy right now. I can buy like the whole galaxy.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I can buy whole galaxy.
Yes, very good. You can buy whole Elon Musk, which has $800 billion. And then you can buy whole Elon Musk that has $800 billion.
Easy with that. Come on.
You can buy the entire multiverse with $800.
Wait, if you deliver my food in 5 seconds, I'll give you a $1 million tip.
Wait, let me take. Okay, I delivered your food in $5 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. Here you go.
Here is your $20 tip, sir.
Yes, I'm rich. I'm so rich. I'm rich. I can buy entire multiverse.
How much dollars can I get? I deliver your food in 1.0005 seconds, sir.
$800 million.
Here's your food, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Here is your $800 septillion tip.
Yay, I'm rich. I can buy 5,000 multiverse.
You can buy the
can
entire
buy 5
multiverse.
billion
You can buy 10 trillion entire multiverse.
galaxies.
You can buy every person. You can buy aliens as pets now, sir.
Yes. You mean the most expensive or the less expensive one?
The
I can
most
buy the most